Hi, Kaden and Christopher. We're going to work on our spelling skills. So we are going to be getting out um, your little spelling folder. You should find the spelling folder that says Spelling Folder Unit 1. You should have done the front page where you practiced the S's, the letters, and we are going to open it today. So mine looks a little bit different than yours because I don't have a copy of your spelling folder here at my house with me. So I created my own little spelling folder here that I'm going to use. I'm going to dictate some sounds and words that I want you to write on the lines in your spelling folder, okay? And so I'm going to give you the sound or the word, and I'm going to give you a chance to write it in your folder, and then I'm going to show you what it should look like, okay? So your first sound is a capital letter, and it is a S. What letter makes a S? It is the letter S. You should make a capital letter S on the first line in your folder. And a capital letter is it's a tall letter. It goes all the way to the top line and then all the way back down to the bottom line, okay? So make your capital letter S on the top line. And it should look like this, okay? So do you see how I tapped the top line and the bottom line? That's what it should look like. Next letter, we're going to put a finger space, okay? Make sure you put a finger space between each letter, okay? So you're going to put a finger space, and your next sound is S. What sound is that? That's the letter S, okay? And you might be thinking, hey, wait a minute, I just did that letter. Yeah, you're right, but this time I want you to make a lowercase letter S. So a lowercase letter S, instead of starting at the top line, you're going to start at the middle line. So it's going to tap, your letter's going to tap the middle line and the bottom line, okay? Go ahead and write your letter S. And it should look like this, okay? Does your S look like my S? Good job. Now I'm going to dictate a word for you to write down. Okay, are you ready? And you're going to put a space after your S, and you are going to write the word I. What word? I. And when you write an I by itself, it is always a capital letter. So go ahead and write your capital letter I. You should be tapping the top line and the bottom line. So we have a big line down, little line across the top, little line across the bottom. And it should look like this. Okay? Let's practice these one more time, but this time they're going to be in a different order. Make sure you're putting your finger space after the I and what I want you to write now. Are you ready? Write the word I. Remember, capital letter. Did you write your capital letter I? Okay, good job. Put a finger space. The next one is S. What letter are you going to write? You're going to write an S, and I want you to write a lowercase s, so the small letter S. You're tapping the middle line and the bottom line. And it should look like this. And the last one I want you to write is S. What letter? S. And this time it is a capital letter S. So tapping the top line and the bottom line. Go ahead. And your capital letter S should look like this. Okay? Good job spelling today. Put your spelling folder somewhere nice and safe. We'll use it again next time. Have a good day. Bye.